Whew. So, finally got to my apartment after a very long day. Good morning.
What a stink of coffee.
Whoa, gonna miss you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. See
Be
you
nice to
later.
your students when you meet them.
Have a good day.
My dad says hi.
Okay, absolutely right too. Got a lovely big spot there. Just head into the bus. Got a bus up to Heathrow and then a hotel, and then I'm going tomorrow morning, bright and early.
Flying.
Although I do not think I'm gonna miss the 12-point ferry. No, I don't. Oh, jeez. That's heavy. Bye. On the go. So just arrived Heathrow, Terminal 4. Bit of a struggle with these massive bags. Ooh. Loving how big this mirror is. And the tool mirror. And just the room in general. Got a nice purple light. Some flowers. So it's 10 o'clock now. I just had a massive dinner and now I feel really sick, which is not a good idea. Because I have to be up at 4 AM tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna go to bed and hopefully catch my flight tomorrow. Good night. So it's 4:20 AM and I gotta get to the airport at 5 o'clock. So I'm gonna be leaving in a minute. So we're in the airport now, and I wanted to film going through security and put the camera through the X-ray machine, but I bottled it, so that didn't happen, unfortunately. Oh wait, there's a plane just landing. I have like an hour to wait and do nothing. So I just paid €9 for a very small iced tea and a sandwich. Peak times. Oh god, it's extortionate. So my next flight is Rome to Tokyo, which leaves at 2:55. So I got a couple of hours. So, arrived in Tokyo. Pretty hectic, getting my bags and stuff. Got lots of important documents which I kept on dropping. Like all these. And I don't speak a word of Japanese, but so far so good. Been pretty successful. And now off to meet someone at a hotel somewhere in the middle of Tokyo who's going to show me where my apartment is. I didn't film anything on the flight because it was just so hectic and busy and I couldn't. But it was what you would expect. Pretty dull, boring 12-hour flight, which I probably wouldn't want to do again. But we're here. So I've got about an hour to kill before I meet the person which is going to show me where my flat is. So where better to come? McDonald's. Tea. And teriyaki chicken. Pretty good. Chips are pretty much just the same. God, that's so good. So the teriyaki burger is interesting, to say the least. Mayonnaise, teriyaki and chicken. Whew. So finally got to my apartment after a very long day. It's in quite a nice part of Tokyo, I think. Tiny bath. Doesn't come with any mattress on here or duvet or bedding. Some home comforts. Well, I made it here, I guess. I can't sleep though. I have to wait for the mattress to be delivered. Yeah, I moved to Japan. Need to sort out my residency status and things like that. Yeah. Start training and teaching English on Monday. Stay tuned for that. And an apartment tour, which will probably be a couple of minutes because this apartment is not very big at all. But I'm gonna wait for the futon to arrive and then I'm just gonna go straight to sleep. It's weird being on the other side of the world, 9,000 kilometers away from the UK, but it's pretty fun to be honest. Japan so far has been pretty cool.